It's been snowing now since 11:30, and it is now, what time is it? 8:30, and that was lightning because we're having a thunderstorm.
Mom, you're not a
You know what? Just be quiet. There's the thunder. You can see the drifts at our neighbor's house. And an end loader has shown up on our street. We're not sure why. Is there someone that lives on our street that has to get out? That they're clearing a path for? Or if it's somebody's private end loader? We don't really know. Here he comes again. It's very odd because he's going down the street now. So your guess is as good as mine.